this. Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to another video from Nordic Anglers. We're in a jolly Christmas mood because we have just received a ton of different stuff that has been out of stock for quite a long time. For instance, we have now received all the missing Rensetti, so now we have all Rensetti in stock. There is about 200 kilos left on this pallet here of just pure joy from Rensetti. Also, Rensetti has just launched some new items. They've launched some really awesome toolbars for your fly tying vise. These are available in 5 different colors. There is a purple, a black, a clear, a blue, and a green. And they are available in 2 different lengths. So you can get the small one here, which is 4.5 inch. And I do not recall how much that is in centimeters, but there is a larger one as well, a long one in 6 inches as well. These are really, really awesome in the usual Rensetti quality, and it just, yeah, I bought one in blue for my Blue Master and one in black for my Black Master. So I'm really, really happy about these. Swing by Nordic Anglers to see them. Another thing is, we have just one left of these from Black Friday. This is the Sage Spectrum reel in the size 5/6 Spectrum Max reel, and I was really surprised that this did not sell on Black Friday until it turned out that I had never actually added this to the web shop. Now we only have one, so and it's half price. So if you're in the market for a great fly reel, then this could be a good bet. I'm betting that this will sell rather fast. Also, another really, really important and great news is that we have finally again received a big order from G. Loomis. In these boxes are a lot of the heavy saltwater NRX Plus rods. So in here are 9 feet 9s, 9 feet 10s, 9 feet 11, and 9 feet 12. All the really, really awesome rods for fishing, tropical saltwater. So these are now finally back in stock. And we're ready to ship them to all over Europe. These rods are some we have sold particularly well in Germany, for instance, and I must say the price on these compared to, let's say, the Sage HD or the Scott Sector is a bit cheaper, but you get full as much value. These are awesome casting rods. I fished a lot with the 9 weight for pike, and it's just a killer. It really just casts big flies in windy conditions so extremely well. So these are now, as I said, finally back in stock. The NRX Plus in the saltwater edition. Follow me, Stefan. I'll show you some more stuff. Another great item that is finally back in stock are the SM Hain or the Schmain bobbin in the advanced model, where you can adjust the tension on your thread here in the regular size. This is one of the best selling bobbins out there. It's really awesome. The design is cool. It's made in Denmark. It's at least designed in Denmark. No, I think he makes them himself. I'm not completely 100% sure about that, but at least I know him very well. He's from Denmark, and he does a tremendously great job with all his tools from Schmain. And now the bobbin is back in stock as well. Another cool item that has been sold out for ages, frankly, and we're very pleased to have back in stock is the very popular Swiss CDC multi-clamp. This is available in 2 different sizes. This is available in a minus and then the regular size. The minus is a bit smaller, but for anything related to dubbing loops, I mean, if you're using CDC or you're using craft fur or whatever you're using, then this is probably the best tool out there for exactly that. It's made from metal. It's very sturdy. It's very well designed, and it's just one of our best selling items of this sort here. So awesome stuff as well. Very nice and pleased to have them back in stock. The final thing I want to show you is actually a bit of surprise that I still have that, because it was the item that I thought would sell out the fastest on Black Friday, which surprisingly it didn't. This is, I have one of these left. This is the Sage Salt HD in 9 feet 6 weight. Basically what this is, it's listed as a demo rod on the website, which means basically that this is the rod that has been has been showcased in the Sage Distributors headquarters. So this has been casting on grass and stuff, but it's just basically that is what it is. There's of course a full warranty on this, and the price, I can't recall exactly how much it is in euros, but it's really there is a lot of discount on this item. We sold we had 2 7-weights and 2 10-weights, and those sold out really fast on Black Friday. But for some reason, the 6-weight, which was the one I predicted would sell the fastest, I still have that one. So if you're in a market for a great sea trout rod, then this is a really nice deal on an excellent rod. I think that about covers it for now. I want to thank everyone who has bought a Christmas present or anything during just bought anything from Nordic Anglers. I want to thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. And I urge you to go and check out Nordic Anglers. If there's anything you need for Christmas or just for fly fishing in general, go check out our website. I'm sure you can find something there that will suit your fancy. So thank you a lot for watching, and I wish you all the best of luck out on the water, both in the remaining small part of this year, but also in the year to come. So thank you so much for watching, and good luck out on the water.